on his deathbed, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. He was going through sakarat al-maut, conscious, unconscious, in and out, in and out. So he lost consciousness. Aisha is there, radiallahu ta'ala anha. Then he wakes up. Then he says to Aisha, authentic narrations. He says to Aisha, imagine, Aisha was 18 years old when the Prophet died. And Allah called her and the others in the Quran, Allah called them Ummahat al-Mu'mineen, the mothers of the believers, meaning they have become haram on every man. Yani once the Prophet dies, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, no one can remarry her. 18 in a world and in a society where the man was everything. Imagine this 18-year-old is watching her husband die at the age, and she has her whole life that now she knows, I'm going to be alone. I can never remarry after him. So he wakes up from his, he was unconscious. He says to Aisha, how much money do we have? This sunnah no one talks about. Sheikh, please, man, put these stories behind. Let's speak about investments and stocks, and let's speak about buying houses, brother. Because in our hearts, we believe that honor, that money will restore the honor of Islam. So she says to my Prophet of Allah, all that we have is 7 gold coins. Imagine a man with 9 wives. Is he a man or not? By the standards that we live in, please don't answer. Don't embarrass yourself. Don't be a hypocrite. By the standards that we live in, is he a man or not? Today, brothers have paid off their houses. Paid off. And he's working to pay off the 2nd and the 3rd because, brother, I need to leave something for my children, brother. Exhausting his life. Not halal haram. I don't care about halal and haram. But tell me, when the Prophet was dying and there were 7 gold coins between 9 wives, is he a man? Sister, you know the one, I wish I was married to him. What Chanel handbag was he gonna buy you with 7 gold coins? Tell me, man. What hair and makeup studio were you gonna go to on a fortnightly basis? Tell me. What restaurant were you gonna be fine dining in? Tell me. So he says to Aisha, take the 7 gold coins and give them in charity now. My brothers, who's the Rijal? Who's the man? So you might think, look, brother, that's Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Like Allah was, no! In Bukhari, the dua of Rasulullah, Allahumma ja'al rizqa ali Muhammadin qut. Ya Allah, make the rizq of the family. The hadith is in Bukhari. Ya Allah, make the rizq of the family, not just Muhammad and his family, sallallahu. Make the rizq and the provisions of Muhammad and his family the bare minimum. I challenge you to make this dua. Wallah, if the Imam made this dua, you would throw a shoe at him from the back. And look, brother, what's this dua? Because in our hearts, in the sicknesses of our society, a man is determined by his money.